ません。
Two old friends meet again, waiting on the faces, and talk about the places they've been. But two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How did they know? Someday we meet again, have a need for more reminiscing. Maybe this time you'll be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they knew back when they were too young to know where love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's even burning so brighter than did before. I got another chance, and that they take this. Maybe this time you'll be loved and we'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Everybody say, she's smiling like she used to run away back then. She's feeling like she used to run away back when we tried for something. Waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time he'll be loved and we'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time love won't end. Maraming salamat.